Okay guys, so let's write a customized comparator so we can use it with streams. Okay, so stream takes comparator, so I have to write a comparator first of all. Comparator, a reference which will take integer because we are going to compare integers. So integer, let's call this c equals I pass I, then this arrow goes on and time to check if actually it takes two arguments, so I'll just call I1 comma I2, and here I'll write I1 dot, not dot, if it is greater than I2. So let me put this in brackets. Okay, so return positive 1. This is all covered in previous videos guys, so you can refer how comparator works. If you are not sure how it works, put this in comment section. I'll definitely cover this in my next series. It's going to be an active one. Again, plus is just optional, you can even remove it, it's not mandatory at all. And if it is equal 0, so return this thing. And okay, what I'm missing here. Arrow goes there. Okay, so I have my code ready which compares stuffs now timed for that sorted method. So simply go for reference, that is integers dot stream dot sorted. So sorted will take comparator as a reference, so up C, and then I'll collect them like we always do. Collectors dot to list, and restore it. List of integers, which gives me um, sorted elements in, actually we are going for reverse, so let me just say sorted, later will change the implementation. So just to want to show you what happens when we use sorted with this comparator, and then this out sorted. We are already getting default or natural sorting order from here without passing any comparator, but here we have passed comparator reference. So let's run this code first of all, and you can see we are getting the same result. This is just a default way. Now I have to change the implementation, so I will just change the return types. If it is greater than, return negative. It is less than, to positive. That's the only change you have to do. And now we will get in reverse order. So sorted in reverse. Copy, paste it. Okay, after sorting in reverse. And now what? Let's run the code. Run as application and check out. We just reverse the whole operation here. 10 9 7 4 3 2 1, like this way. So what we just did, we have used a customized way of sorting elements in a reverse order. So that's how we write logic for comparator. In next video we will modify this and write a proper way of writing this, but this is how it works with lambda expressions. So in next video we will use ternary operators. So stay tuned guys, it's more interesting to see. Let's meet next video.